Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change the band of your watch. So this is my watch and you see this band, it's all like chopped here. So I wanted to change it. The first thing you need to know is the width of the band so that you purchase one that is the same width. So here my watch's band width is 23 millimeters. So you need to measure it here and it is like a standard width and I purchased this one. So also you need this tool. This tool, you see, it has like a spike here, and this spike will help you to remove the pin that is holding the band to the watch. So if you see here on the watch, I'm gonna zoom in so for you to see better. So notice here, there's a pin, and the pin has a spring, and you need to push it down using the spike that is on the top of this tool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for this tool. It's like a $1 tool. You can get it from anywhere, eBay or Amazon. So you need to hold the top of the pin here with the spike of the tool and then push it down. If you don't succeed from the first attempt, do it on the second attempt. And here it is removed. You need the pin that is in the older band because you're gonna use it in the newer one. So this is a pin I was talking about, and see how it has a spring here. So now I'm gonna install the other band, slide the pin in the band like this. And you have holes here from the left and the right that hold also the pin. So you need to slide it first in the first hole here. And then using also the tool, hold the top of the pin and push it down and then slide it in. And just wiggle it a little bit so that it goes in place. You might not succeed at the first attempt, as it happened to me now. And here it is, it clicked in place. So let's do the same for the other band. It's not always easy to get it in the first attempt. Just be patient and do not yank it like this, otherwise you're gonna break the pin that is in the watch. Let me try from the other side. Maybe it's better. Yes, it's from the other side. It's more visible. So I'm going to push it down like this from here. And now it should be removed. And here it is removed. So this is the pin. Once again, do the same as you did for the first band. So I'm going to turn it like this. So slide it in the hole like that. So here it is installed. So let me try the watch now. And it looks really, really good. So this is the watch. I hope you liked my video and you found it useful. In case you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and this will support my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.